Okay, let's finish part 3 here. So we know that a hamburger made with a certain type of beef loses 1/4 of its weight while cooking. So we're going to write an equation that models the weight of a cooked hamburger, y, based on the weight of the uncooked hamburger, x. Well, if I know that my basic form for the equation is going to be y equals mx, and y tells me the weight of the hamburger once it's cooked, and x tells me the weight of the uncooked hamburger, I know that I need 1/4 of that amount. So it makes sense that we would multiply by 1/4. So we come up with an equation of y equals 1/4 x. Remember that our slope, our m, is also, you can think of it like your rate. It's the rate of change. So that's a good way to remember what type of value fills that spot in the equation. All right, and finally, the number of words y that you can type in x minutes can be represented by the equation y equals 55x. The number of words your friend can type in x minutes is modeled by the graph. Which of you can type faster? So when I see the equation y equals 55x, I know that this stands for my slope, or my rate of change. So this means that I can type 55 words per minute. So y is going to tell me how many total words, and x is going to be how many minutes I type. And if I take my rate times the time, that's going to give me my total words. But when I look at my friend's graph here, we see definitely a linear function, but I'm looking for a point that I can tell the exact location, like this one here. At this point, 3 minutes of time has gone by and I've typed 150 words per minute. So I need to use this 150 words per 3 minutes, and I need to reduce this rate or reduce this fraction. So this is my rise over my run. I rise 150, I run 3. I rise 150, I run 3. And you can see I can continue to find points along this line at that rate. So if I reduce this, I know that 150 divided by 3 is 50. So my friend's typing rate is 50 words per minute, while mine is 55. So I can type faster than my friend. And last question together before you start your homework. The number of miles y a car travels in x hours can be modeled by the equation y equals 65x. The graph shows the relationship between distance and time for a train. Which vehicle is traveling at a greater speed? Oops, sorry about that. So I've got this equation with a rate of speed of 65 miles per hour. And let's check out the speed of the train to see which one's faster. So I definitely see a straight line, a linear function here. And I notice that all of these points I could name an exact location for. So this point, after 1 hour, the train has traveled 75 miles per hour. So the equation for this line would be y equals 75x. So we would say the train is traveling at a greater speed. And that is all there is to it, my friends. So you are all set to check out your digits 5.2 homework. Good luck.